Great size townhouse in the heart of Kempsville. Roof, HVAC, replacement windows all done in the last 10 years. Tons of storage and counter space in the kitchen. 4-bedroom upstairs and a downstairs flex room makes a great guest room, school room, home office, gym. The possibilities are endless. Laundry room offers endless storage. Backyard patio for the summer barbecue, small storage shed and tons of greenery in the backyard and a new fence. End corner unit offers of natural light. Move in and make this home your own. Ask about closing cost assistance from our lender with Listing Edge.